Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Simran. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about my secret to have a healthy and glowing skin. Guys, also I'm going to share how this product is just changed my whole skincare process. Guys, I'm not exaggerating, I'm telling the truth. I love this damn product that I'm going to show in this video. So without any further ado, if you are interested to know what is this product, then please keep on watching. In this video I'm going to give my honest review about this vitamin C serum that I have with me. So this is called the Pilgrim Vitamin C Night Serum. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. You can see clearly. The packaging is really nice. It's a cardboard packaging and they have everything written on the packaging. It comes with hyaluronic acid and white lotus extract. So also it is a Korean based brand that is developed in India, and they have a really good skincare range. Guys, you can go through their skincare range. I have this product with me, so I thought I should make a video about it क्योंकि ये बहुत अच्छा एक night serum है and vitamin C serum है. So yeah, let's talk about this product in detail. Pilgrim is an Indian brand, comes with 100% vegan products and they are cruelty free and no animal testing. The product is FDA approved and it's paraben free, sulfate free and also all the harsh chemical free. And this product is also 20 toxic free. Guys, 20 toxic ingredient जो कि हमारे स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स में होते हैं नॉर्मली जो हमारे स्किन को डैमेज करते हैं, इसमें वो कुछ भी नहीं है. It's free from 20 toxic ingredients. Also this doesn't have any mineral oil and sulfate in it, so this is a great product for your skincare routine. Pilgrim's products are cruelty free as well, so this is a great thing. Guys, then let's talk about the ingredient of this product and I will talk about the key ingredients and the benefits. So first let's start with the vitamin C serum. So if you guys don't know what is the help of vitamin C on your skincare routine, guys, vitamin C helps to brighten up your skin tone and also will helps to fight against the dark patches and dark spots from your face, and they will help to remove the sunburn as well. अगर आप 18 plus हो चुके हैं, then you should include a vitamin C serum on your skincare routine. I'm using it from past 7 days, I can say. I have seen a difference by using this product and मैं इसका difference I think 2 days में मुझे पता चल गया था इसका difference, and it's just so good. It's just going to replenish and repair your skin and also will help to give a brighter and glowing skin. Guys, then it has hyaluronic acid, so that will help to reduce your sign of aging and also will help to hydrate your skin really well. It also have white lotus in it, so that will help you a brighter and a good complexion that will just fade out your all scars from your face and will give you a brighter skin tone. So yeah, definitely go for this serum if you are searching for a good night serum. Because if you are not having any good vitamin C serum, you should definitely give it a try. You can definitely try this one. Then let me talk about the price of this product. So this one is cost for rupees 550 and you will get 30 ml of product. Yeah, let me talk about the inner packaging of this product. Guys, this is the inner packaging of this product. This comes with this dropper packaging, you can see, and this is a glass bottle. So it comes with this dropper packaging, really convenient, easy to use. You just need to like take this dropper and यहाँ पे आपका product दिख जाएगा. You can clearly see it comes with this type of packaging and then you have to just apply it all over your face. Guys, I really like the packaging. The packaging is really convenient and easy to use. You have to be careful a little क्योंकि ये glass packaging है. Just keep it in a nice and safety place, I can say. Guys, also everything is written in the inner packaging as well. They have written everything, like starting from the ingredient, the direction, the safety precautions that you have to take, and also the benefit of this product. They have written each and everything in this product, so that's a really good fact about this brand. I just really like that. As in this packaging, this is written it's for all skin type, but I will suggest to use if you have like normal to dry skin type, you can easily go for this serum. अगर आपका oily skin type है, then also you can use this serum क्योंकि ये अच्छे से आपकी skin पे absorb भी हो जाता है. Guys, personally I have an oily skin, but I like to use this serum. कैसे मैं इसको यूज करती हूँ, I will explain everything. If you have oily skin type, आपको थोड़ा सा ये oily लग सकता है, but anyway this is a oil based serum, so you can definitely use this serum. Guys, अच्छे से आपको बस मसाज करना है आपके फेस पे and within like 5 to 10 minutes ये आपके स्किन पे absorb हो जाएगा. Guys, you have to take 2 to 3 drop of the serum and just apply it on your skin, like on your clean face. Then just massage it using your finger. You have to massage the serum really well so that the serum will absorb on your skin. So just massage the serum all over your face, and guys, you will get a healthy and glowing skin in the morning. So this is a really good serum to have. Guys, while applying the serum, the fragrance is just to die for. I just really love the fragrance of this product. This White Lotus का fragrance आता है इसका, so I really like the fragrance of this product. This is not overpowering, so don't worry about that. So yeah, this is the serum that I'm using currently, and I have seen difference by using the serum. This is a really good serum. You can definitely go and check this out. If you want to buy the serum, I will give the link in my description box below. You can go and check that out. So yeah guys, that is all about today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो definitely subscribe my channel. That would mean a lot to me. I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.